Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over the best deals that are going on at Walgreens this week. We have some really good coupon matchups, some freebies, and some glitches. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so this week at Walgreens, they gave me an earn $15 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend 60 digital booster. Now, I'm not quite sure what's up with that, but Walgreens loves giving me these spend 50 and spend 60 digital boosters. So, I will definitely not be doing a huge spend deal this week. I never use these, so I don't know why they keep giving them to me. But I will check on my husband's account and see what he has and possibly do a quick pickup order because we do have a lot of really good deals this week. And hopefully, you guys do not have these huge spend boosters either. Hopefully, some of y'all out there received a spend 20, get back 5, or spend 20, get back 6 in Walgreens cash rewards. Now, I also received this digital booster on the same account, so it's 15% off site-wide when you spend $25 or more on same-day pickup or delivery orders. So, I have not seen these boosters in a while, but back in the day, how they used to work was that it took 15% off of each item, not like get your subtotal to $25 and then take 15% off of that. I think it takes 15% off of each item. Now, I could definitely be wrong because Walgreens is always throwing little tricks my way. And I promise y'all, I learn something new every single week. So, just in case y'all were curious, that's how I'm thinking that this booster is working this week. If anybody has any other information that y'all want to share down in the comment section below, it is greatly appreciated because, like I said, I learn something new every single week. Now, I also wanted to remind you guys, if you're doing any pickup orders this week or delivery orders or ship-to-store orders, make sure that you use the code FAST10 at checkout, and that'll take off a little bit more and get your out-of-pocket even lower. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and kick off the deals with a freebie, shall we? So this week at Walgreens, we have a free 8x10 photo when you use the code SPRBREAK at checkout. So make sure that you go ahead and put in your order for your free 8x10 this week. Even if you can't pick it up the same day, that's okay. They usually hang on to it for a few days, and then they may even give you a call before they throw it away, alright? So make sure that you go ahead and take advantage of that freebie. Alright guys, so before we get into the awesome deals and amazing coupon matchups, I just wanted to give you all a quick reminder to check your Fetch Rewards accounts because some accounts have this Unilever Beauty and Personal Care bonus for when you spend $30, you're going to earn 10,000 in points, which is the equivalent of $10. And I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Debra Williams-Buss for sharing this deal. And if you guys are not already subscribed to her channel, it's going to be linked in the pinned comment down below. And if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on because this is the easiest rebate app out there. I always highly recommend Fetch Rewards, especially if you are a new couponer, because it is so simple and easy. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt and then you're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Now, also in this video, you're going to see some Ibotta rebate deals. So if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, this is another app that I highly recommend. I have been using them for years, and I have literally saved thousands of dollars at this point. So definitely go and sign up. I do have a referral code, which is on the screen as well as down in the description box below. And I also have a video on how to sign up and use Ibotta, and I'll also link that one in the description box down below. So let's go ahead and start off with a little Ibotta deal. So this week at Walgreens, we have M&Ms. They're on sale 2 for $2. We have a 50 cent off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.50 for 2. But the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a 50-cent rebate back on M&Ms. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back $1, and that's going to make your final price 50 cents for 2, making those just 25 cents each. Next up, we have the Blue Diamond Almonds. Now, there's different ones that you can choose from. You can definitely mix and match. These are priced at $5.99, but they're on sale this week. Buy one, get one for free. So pick up 2. That's going to put you at $5.99. We have a 1-off 2 insert coupon from the February 6th Smart Source. So you want to use that, and that's going to leave you paying $4.99 out of pocket. But right now on Ibotta, we have a 25-cent rebate back on the Blue Diamond Almond 6-ounce cans only. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get back 50 cents, and that's going to make your final price $4.49 for two, making those $2.24 each. All right, next up, another quick little food deal that you can do. So we have select Stouffer's and DiGiorno products this week. These are on sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and they're priced at $3.79 each. So pick up two, that's going to put you at $5.68 for two, making those $2.84 each, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Now, this week at Walgreens, we also have the Nice brand nuts and cashews. These are 6 ounces to 16 ounces, and they are buy one, get one for free. So here's just an example. We have the cashews, the 8.5 ounce bags. Those are $6.49, so you would pay $6.49 for two. All right, guys, next up, we have a couple of household deals here. So we have Gain laundry products this week. They are on sale 4 for $16. Now, I do know that we have insert coupons out there, so you can use those if you have them available, but I did not receive them in my area, and I'm kicking myself in the butt for not ordering any. So if you're like me and you don't have those insert coupons, you can go to the pngoodeveryday.com website, and you can print off two one-off-one internet printables, and that's going to leave you paying $14 for all four, making those $3.50 each. All right, next up we have Scott paper towels and Scott bath tissue. These are normally $5 each, but they're on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. So you want to pick up two, that's going to put you at $7.50. We have a one-off-one digital coupon for each of those products. So one for the paper towels and one for the bath tissue. That's going to leave you paying $5.50 for two, making those $2.75 each, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. All right, guys, next up we have our deals of the week, and these are all buy two, get back a $4 register reward. So if you want to do these deals, you want to make sure that you do them in separate transactions. That way you'll get back a $4 register reward for each deal, okay? So first up, we have Pampers diapers. These are on sale 2 for $20. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $17 for two, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Then you're going to get back a $4 register reward, which is going to make your final price $13 for two, making those $6.50 each. And I think that's a pretty good deal on diapers. All right, next up, we also have the Ninjamas nighttime underwear. These are also on sale 2 for $20, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $15 for two, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back that $4 register reward, which is going to make your final price $11 for two, making those $5.50 each. All right, next up we have Dove body wash. These are on sale this week for $7 each. So you want to pick up two, that's going to put you at $14. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $11 for two, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Then you're going to get back a $4 register reward, which is going to make your final price $7 for two, making those $3.50 each. All right, next up, we have another Dove deal, and you guys can do this one as well because these are totally different coupons, okay? So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Dove body wash at $7 and one of the Dove beauty bars. I think it's a 6-pack or an 8-pack, also at $7. So that's going to put you at $14. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Dove beauty bars and a 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Dove body wash. So that's going to leave you paying $11.50 for two, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay, but you're going to get back a $4 register reward, which is going to make your final price $7.50 for two, making those $3.75 each. And I think that's a pretty good deal considering we started out at just picking up one for $7. All right, guys, next up we have Colgate toothpaste and toothbrushes. These are on sale this week for $2.99. You want to pick up two, that's going to put you at $5.98. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste and a 1-off-1 for the Colgate toothbrushes, so you want to use both of those. That's going to leave you paying $3.98, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, making your final price completely free. Now, you can also do this deal a different way. You can pick up two of the Colgate toothpaste at $2.99. That's going to put you at $5.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that you can use, so that's going to leave you paying $2.98, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, which is going to make your final price completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker. Alright guys, and this week at Walgreens, we also have Crest and Oral-B products. They are on sale for $4 each. So pick up two, that's going to put you at $8. Use the 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes and the 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste. That's going to leave you paying $4 for two, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay, but you're going to get back a $4 register reward, which is going to make your final price completely free. But the deal gets even better because we have a 25-cent rebate back on Ibotta for the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back 25 cents, and that is going to make your final price completely free plus a 25-cent moneymaker. Alright guys, so that's it for our deals of the week, but we still have some really good coupon matchups and promotions to go over. So first up, we have the Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $3.49, so basically $3.50. You're going to pick up two at $7. We have a 1 off 1 IVC store coupon, which is going to take off a total of $2, and we have a 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $2 for two, making those $1 each, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Alright, next up, we basically have the same exact deal, except for this one is on the Garnier Whole Blends shampoos and conditioners. So these are on sale too for $7. We have that 1 off 1 IVC store coupon, which is going to take off $2, and the 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $2 for two, making those $1 each. Alright, next up we have Dove shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $4.99, but they're on sale, buy one, get one half off. So pick up two, that's going to put you at $7.48. We have two 2 off 1 digital coupons for the Dove shampoos and conditioners. So that's going to leave you paying $3.48 for two, making those $1.74 each, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Alright, next up we have the U by Kotex pads. So these are priced at $3.89. So you want to pick up two of those at $7.78. Use the $2.50 off 1 digital coupon and the 2 off 1 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3.28 for two, making those $1.64 each. Alright guys, next up we have the Bic Soleil disposable razors. These are priced at $6.79, and they're on promotion this week. Buy two, get back $2 in Walgreens cash, and they're on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. So you're going to pick up two, that's going to put you at $9.43. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon. That is going to leave you paying $3.43, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Then you're going to get back $2 in Walgreens cash. But the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $3 rebate on the Bic disposable razors when you buy two. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back $3. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $1.57 moneymaker. Alright guys, next up we have the Icy Hot Extra Large Patches. These are priced at $8.29, but they're on sale. Buy one, get one half off. So you want to pick up two, that's going to put you at $12.43. We have a 4 off 1 digital coupon and a 3 off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $5.43 for two, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. But again, the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $2 rebate for the Icy Hot products. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get a total of $4 back, which is going to make your final price $1.43 for two, making those 71 cents each. Alright guys, next up we have the Nivea Men's Body Wash. These are priced at $5.49. These are also on promotion this week. Buy three, get back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards, and they are on sale. Buy one, get one half off. So pick up three, that's going to put you at $13.72, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta because right now on Ibotta we have a $1 rebate back for the Nivea body washes. So that is going to make your final price $5.72 for all three, making those $1.90 each. Alright guys, next up we have another Colgate toothpaste deal. So these are priced at $3.99, and they're on promotion. Buy two, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So pick up two, that's going to put you at $7.98. You can use that 3 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4.98, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay, but you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So that's going to make your final price completely free. Alright guys, next up we have an amazing deal on the Nexxus shampoos this week. So these are on promotion. Spend $20 and get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So since this is a spend deal, you may want to go ahead and pair this up with your spend booster. So if you have a spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, that would be perfect. So I may try to pair this up with that 15% off booster, and we'll see how that goes. So there's just a quick idea for you guys, but these are priced at $11.99. So you want to pick up 2, that's going to put you at $23.98. We have 2 5-off-1 digital coupons for the Nexxus products. So that's going to leave you paying $13.98 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash, which is going to make your final price $3.98 for 2, making those $1.99 each. Alright guys, and last but not least, we are going to close out the deals with a couple of glitches. So, we did receive this 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Wet n Wild products, but the coupon specifically states for products that are priced at $2 or more. And lucky for us, this coupon is glitching and it is working on a big variety of items that are priced at $1.29. So here's just a few of the items that I found on the website that were priced at $1.29. So you can choose from the nail polishes, the lipsticks, the eyeshadows, or the eyeliners. So pick up one of those at $1.29. Use the 150 off 1 digital coupon. It's not going to give you overage, but it will make it completely free. Now, this 150 off 1 digital coupon is also working on the Wet n Wild brushes. So there's different ones that you can choose from. I have the contour brush pictured here, but there was also eyeshadow brushes, all kinds of different ones that are priced at $1.19. So pick up one of those, use this 150 off 1 digital coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. Now, keep in mind the Wet n Wild brushes are on sale this week. Buy 2 and get the 3rd one for free. So you can actually pick up 3 at $2.38. The 150 off 1 digital coupon will take off a total of $1.19. So that is going to leave you paying $1.19 for all 3, making those just 39 cents each. But depending on how you want to look at it, you're basically paying for 1 and getting 2 for free with this digital coupon. And like I said before, you can mix and match. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your Walgreens deals this week. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, please hit that thumbs up button, because it is a free way and an easy way that you can help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.